Hey, what's going on, Froggo? Oh, sorry, I was dealing with some stuff with the pool. I've had a very busy morning. Morning, Tamimi. Morning, Siapa. Morning, DT. Dude, I might not show it right now, but I'm pretty pissed off at the moment. I can explain why a little bit later. I don't want to. My camera also. Oh, I got it grouped. I can't go down any further. Yeah, I'm not happy at the moment. Debating on trading the open here, probably not. I'm probably just gonna let. I'm not. I'm just gonna cool down for the first 15 minutes. Shit. Morning, Clarity. All right, here we go. Looks like we would have got faked out, so I'm glad I didn't do it. I would have had my long probably right there. See if it comes back up. Yeah, definitely wouldn't have got filled. Might try this though. Oh, missed it. Damn. I was about to hit the button, but it's being a little hesitant just because it's the open. Now I'm gonna sit back. I'm gonna collect my thoughts here, unless we get some like crazy move. I'd have to see it get down to right around there. What line did I just draw? 230 something. Why is it not showing up? Oh, because I'm on the. Looks like yeah. It's like right there. Damn, I thought we were gonna get that little extra push up. Feels like it wants to. I say, do it. Not asking for the whole candle or anything. Just does not want to give us that little bit extra. Come on. There we go. Let's say don't start my day off like that. We're getting the full reversal here. Can you explain what is ask, bid, and market, please? Sure. So the ask is when there's a market, there's orders on both sides. So in order for the price to go up, somebody has to be willing to sell their shares at a certain price. So let's just use this top of this candle as an example. So 19,285.75 or 285.50 it looks like. Somebody was willing to sell their shares up into that point. So in order for somebody to sell their shares at that point, somebody has to be willing to buy them. Well, in order to sell at a price above the current price, you would be putting your shares on an ask, right? You're asking for that price. If you are looking to buy at a certain price that is not the current price, you are looking to bid a price, right? So below the current price is a bid, above the current price is an ask, and the current price is the market. So if you market in, you're going to get filled at the current price. If you're looking to get filled above the current price, that is an ask. You're asking to get filled higher. If you're looking to get in below the market price, you're putting a bid in to get filled at a lower price. There you go. No problem. While we're in the middle and waiting for 15 minutes, I'll be right back. Huh? Yo, what's up, Pine Tree? Sorry, guys. I'm just not having a good morning. For everyone that's here, I'll update you. So I had to take my newest dog in. She's getting spayed today. Then I had to drop the kids off at camp. So I was essentially dealing with that all morning. And then I came home. Hold on one sec. All right. Anyways, came home and now we're being told that our decking around the pool that was supposed to be completely flat is now going to be, we need a step. And I don't want a step because of the kids and there's nothing we can do about it at this point. So
Ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a god mess. Hopeless, more tests. More blessed. Dug deep down, trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts. Like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's your stop. Steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. See sun coming out of that rain. My team, really my team. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. It's taking over.
yeah, but I mean, yeah, I can't really talk right now. Well, it's getting ready to take a trade to the long side, but it only just poked through. Excuse me. Down we go. My friend of future said no many times, so I have to stick with the limitations. So I decided to trade minis instead. I'm confused at what you're saying, stating. Remember he bought the wrong account, which he didn't know. Oh, I do remember that. Yeah, I don't really know what to do about that. That's kind of annoying that they wouldn't fix it, especially since so I did find out too that the 5 trading days to get a payout is only for the starter accounts. The expert accounts, that does not apply. For the expert account, there's no cap, etc., but the payout cycle is every 14 days, not just every 5 trading days. And then you blame Froggo? I would blame Froggo too. He's usually the root of all my problems. Yeah, I don't understand why they're so different. It's like I think they're trying to transform into these new packages. And so they're kind of stuck between 2 rule sets. Like there's 2 different rule sets. So, I mean, it's just a matter, I guess, of figuring out the rule sets. But I don't understand. Like, they should just do away with certain parts of it. Like, as far as the payout structure, like, that should be the same across all the accounts. I don't quite understand why that's not the case and to begin with. But it seems like they restructured the starter accounts, but they have not restructured the expert accounts. So that's kind of where we are at this point. Which means I would just kind of steer towards the starter accounts for now. What if they can send a 1-day pout? Isn't that what Apex said that they were going to try to do? But that would have to be, isn't there there is a firm that does that, isn't it? It's like, I forget which one it is, but where you essentially from day one can take out your profits. Do we have to trade for 14 days or next payout or just wait for 14 days? I'm pretty sure it's just wait for 14 days. See, I haven't really looked into the... Let's see. For expert accounts, every 14 days, the first 10,000 in profit is yours, followed by 90-10 split. The buffer zone. That's just your drawdown. Like I said, my Fund of Futures is like the one, like their FAQs are not great. No restrictions apply to withdrawals above the buffer zone. So it looks like it's just every 14 days for the payout, but there's no reason you can't get a payout. Because isn't that one of the selling points of the accounts? Start challenge. Expert. Yeah, it doesn't say it on this chart. I thought it did. Let me find that chart. Give me one sec. Yeah, I'm not seeing what I was looking for. All right, hold on. I think I might have found it. So there's no payout cap. I like how it says full details on FAQ help desk. Is it though? Yeah, I'm not seeing anything about the time. It's all geared towards us losing. I mean, well, obviously. Take Profit Trader? Yeah. I was like, I knew there was one. And I was going to say Take Profit Trader or Earn to Profit. I couldn't remember which one it was. I knew it was one of those other ones. You need to reach certain balance to use more contract. Well, that's the scaling. But with the expert plan, you don't have to do that. With the expert plan, you can use all your contracts right away. Well, that's just, I'm pretty sure that's just for the funded account. I think on the evals you can use the full amount. I was, but I wasn't confident enough to make one yet. And with all the changes that they're about to make supposedly on August 1st, I figured I would just wait until they do that and then make a video. Yes, exactly, Froggo. I didn't want to make a video based on the current stuff and then literally 4 days later it changes. I need Biden hope. Give me the Biden hope. So I'm looking for a trade here if we go up through the highs. I'd like to see a good push away from the current high. Can redraw that line, I guess. I don't know what this line is, so I'm just going to get rid of it. A bigger push than that. Give it a sec here. Alright. Got new line now. Down again. I don't know. Where would he have taken a trade? If he took a trade here on this break, it worked. Did he try to short here? But even so, that worked. I'm confused. How did he lose? I'm up over 3K using the minis today, so I'll stick with expert. Maybe they done me a favor to force me. Hey, maybe it was a blessing in disguise. I definitely would like to start trading more, but we're just not getting the opportunities the last few trading days, because I obviously don't want to let these go longer than a month. I mean, we're fine. We're only like a week in anyway, but I do want to start pushing. The backyard's starting to look normal again. They're flattening it out, so that's nice. Can't use micros, not worth it. Yeah, it's not for the bigger. You said you got the 150K account. It's definitely not. For what I'm doing though, I feel like it's all right. I might be able to up the contracts to start to like 3 instead of 2. I just didn't want to let it get out of hand. 2, it's almost impossible to mess up. And on top of that one, I've still had $1,000 days, so. Nosy Sean, the yard, all the dirt that was in the yard, that they're now using that to fill in around the pool and whatnot. So that's all I was talking about. Like instead of it being a complete mess, it now looks kind of normal. Like it's starting to come together. I'm just so annoyed. I'm just so annoyed about the step. Because all I see is kids running around. Well, yeah. So I thought DT, but I don't know if what he's telling me is true. I always take what he says with a grain of salt, but he was saying that it would have messed up the water flow. That the pool apparently has to be higher than the entire yard by at least 6 inches so that the pool water flows away from the pool. And I guess the only way to make that happen was to do it at the elevation that they did. I don't know if that's true. Well, it's not the builder that's telling me this. The people out back doing the concrete, they essentially told me that they very well could have put the pool deeper into the ground. I don't know. I'm kind of lost with all that stuff. I did concrete work when I was growing up, but it was just sidewalks and stuff with my dad. I never did anything like this. Like we did have to worry about, like, when we would do stuff like up against the house, we had to worry about, you know, the angle to keep the water from going to the house. You always angled it away from the house. So I get that. And I kind of understand what they're talking about, but there's drains and stuff at the bottom where it meets the, like where the pavement meets the stairs. There's supposed to be drains there to prevent exactly that, the water flow. So I'm just confused that why, knowing that it wasn't built, knowing that even if there was a little bit of overflow, there was going to be drains there. But then it has to be 6 inches above the rest of the yard. Like, I guess I get that. Is that true? I don't know. That's the part I don't know if it's true. If it is, then I guess we were just shit out of luck with how everything was graded before we got the pool, because the patio was already there. But if the pool had to be at a certain height, then there's nothing we can do about that. But at some point you would think that the pool company would have said, hey, look, like they could have measured that and have known that it was going to be at that height. So they could have told us that when the decking was going in, we're probably going to have to deal with, you know, 6-7 inches of elevation, and like how did we want to handle that? All right, give me 1 sec. I gotta run up and talk to my wife. What is this? Somebody tipped me while I was gone?
This is the future.
Hold on.
Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Oh man. All right, let me catch up here. Someone, not the suing kind, you know. Yeah, I feel you, DT. Yeah, that's exactly what happened, Steve. What's up, Steve? I'll explain it in a sec. Let me read through everything. So decking was installed too low. Well, it's not the decking that was installed too low. It was the pool was installed too high. And since the pool was installed too high, the slope from the pool to the decking is where it's all messed up. Peachy, are you still here? I finally logged in and saw. I'm gonna replay it just now that I'm here. Are you saying let's give it away as in marbles? I'm still waiting for the whole PayPal thing. They haven't got back to me yet. You know, with another builder who actually willing to help out. So let me catch up and then I'll update you where I just was. Steve, you dick. Unofficial sponsor. I love it. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, we'll do a giveaway. Let's do it at 11 here. I'm sorry I didn't even start up the stream bot this morning. Dude, it's been a morning. It has been a morning. So apparently there's no step now. We got rid of the step. What's up, Marius? They figured out a way to where they could go like halfway and keep it flat or minorly sloped the way that they have to, and then from that halfway point down to where the step was going to be, it's a low enough slope to where they can not have a step. So step is gone. Oh, Peachy, you don't want to stay for the giveaway? How long are you going to be? I can wait because I'll be here for a little bit. Oh no, I won't because I got to pick up the kids. Charging 99, what's going on? Charging, does that mean you have a Tesla? All right, start marbles. Well, if you can't stay, I appreciate it. PG Celsius, we'll do the giveaway. I'm gonna do it at 11 o'clock. Exclamation point marbles to get in there. No, I was just being funny. Well, yeah. But now they're trying to hit us up for more money. I wonder, I need to message my mom real quick. She had like the worst timing for a doctor's appointment today. Pool deck proposal. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Wasn't that much, it looks like. All right. Well, I just started it up, GDT, so yeah, it's just a pain, man. This whole process has not been fun. It's one of them things where it's like I wish I could do it myself because it's like it would be one of those things where if you want it done right, do it yourself kind of situations, but at the same time, it's something I can't do myself. You rely on the professionals, and even the professionals, oh, about messaging Laura. Wow. Go drink some more coffee bourbon. Okay. All right, I think we're getting caught up. All right, so it'll be a $20 giveaway. I am not leaving to go anywhere today. I will not get scammed. I am not adding any money to this. If anyone doesn't know, the guy who won on Friday, the $75 marbles race, he took 20 minutes to message me in Discord. Well, there was another guy that messaged me in Discord it was like the 18-minute mark. Literally 2 minutes after I sent the payment, the real guy messaged me, and I was on the road and everything lined up, even like the YouTube name. So this guy went out of his way, made a YouTube account, made a Discord, everything matched up on that. And except the one thing that didn't match is he had a number on the end of his name. But when I glanced at the account name before I left, all I saw was the name. So I knew to look for that name. So he literally copied everything and just put a number on the end of the name, and I didn't notice the number. And so now I'm trying to get it back from PayPal, but they still haven't responded. And then literally 2 minutes after I sent it, the real guy messages me like, "Hey, I'm the one who won the giveaway." And I'm like, "Are you effing kidding me?" So I called my wife. I had her walk down to my office and read off the name that from the YouTube account. And sure enough, I got scammed. And then the guy had the nerve to sit there and have a conversation with me in Discord and say that the other guy, the real guy, was the scammer. Yeah, I got scammed. It was literally the perfect storm because I was in a rush. Like I said, I just glanced at the account name. Every other time I do giveaways, I'm sitting here at my computer, I can verify everything, etc. And I thought I was being nice. I was gonna say, "Hey, wait till I get home and I'll send it then," but I saw his name pop up. He sent all the stuff, like the screenshot, had his email address ready to go, obviously. And it took 18 to 20 minutes for him to message me. So at that point, I thought a scammer would be quicker than that. Like, oh, I wasn't thinking of scam in the first place, but it's like, if you think you're dealing with the scammer, it would be fairly quickly, right? It wouldn't be 18 minutes later. Because at that point, you would think the scammer would think that the real person had already messaged them. Trying to get double money? I don't remember this guy. I don't know. But either way, it just sucks because I initially was doing the giveaway for 20 bucks. Peachy Celsius was kind enough to give me money to also give away. So I added all that and I was giving it away. So now that I got scammed, I'm on the hook to give the real guy the amount that was supposed to be, which was $75. So now I'm basically out $100 instead of $20. But I asked the guy if he could wait until PayPal resolved or denied my claim, and he said that was fine. So that whole thing is sitting in limbo. I got a great deal on a bridge. You want to buy it? What, so I can jump off of it? Oh, GDT. Interesting. I mean, I don't know. If that was the case, that's an interesting scam. And if that is the case, then I mean, how do I get around it? I would how would I know? I have no way of knowing. It's really, regardless, it's still on me. The fact that he would get double from me, it's on me for not verifying better. I mean, it's a mistake I feel like anyone could have made. Even if I was sitting at my computer, it's a mistake I easily could have made, because like I said, everything looked legit except for that number on the end. But I would have caught that had I been sitting at my, because I always double check it. But I was literally driving. I was literally at a stoplight. It all popped up. I was like, oh, I can just copy paste it. I looked at the thing. It was the same exact username. I just didn't think to look at the number at the end. Had the email ready, just copy pasted it right to PayPal while I was sitting at the stoplight, and literally 2 minutes later. I mean, that is kind of fishy now that you're saying that, because now you're making me think. Just send it all to you. Lesson learned: don't drive and send monies with your phone. Wait, what? Lucas? You guys. Stop super chatting. I so much appreciate it, but don't send it through the Stream Elements link. Super chat, they take so much of it. That Lucas, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Lucas, is this because you got some payouts? I would love it. I would love to hear it. Oh, you guys are making my day better, at least. I appreciate it. Just having you guys here to talk to, it helps. It really helps. I don't think Lucas can provide what your girlfriend provides, GDT. Just saying. I love how Lucas comes in and just does that. Doesn't say a word. At least not yet. Baller status right there. I'm trying to remember. Give me one sec. It was visible ID is the one. Now you guys really got me thinking. You want to know something weird too? Explain here. I'm gonna pull this up while we wait for a possible trade. Explain to me why someone would search an email address. Why would someone search an email address? Is that a like what's the point of that? Wouldn't the setup dates on the account tell you if they're real or not? No. Speaking of visible ID, dude, if visible ID is legit as they come, this is gonna make me feel like a complete asshole. The fact that I'm even questioning it, it makes me feel like an asshole. But it is very weird that literally right after I sent it, you messaged me. After, it was like 20 minutes late after the fact too. The tip link works, GDT. The guy just used it. Not if this isn't the first time that they tried to use it, visible ID. Yeah. Yeah, there was a Peachy Celsius used it. How did he use it then? Yeah, exclamation point marbles in the chat. Hold on, I'm trying to get to my page. I have so many things going on right now. Let's see, your channel. Inception going on right. And go back there. I need to go talk to my mom in a second after this. Donate while I'm live. Stream elements. It works for me, GDT. What a dump candle here. Everybody, if you're not subscribed to Garage Day Trader, go sub to him. Should already be sub to him anyway. All right, decent trade there. Take that. All right, I'm gonna go talk to my mother real quick. Looks like we would need to probably hit the bands for me to get back in anyway. So I will BRB. The account verification, PayPal is usually like you have to verify a PayPal account because you need to hook up a bank account to it. Well, I guess if you want the money, I guess you could just spend it. Ugh. All right, I'll be right back.
cautious, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet mentally. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle, and you think you have a dream that
Sorry, I forgot to turn my mic off.
fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Again? I think that was the first time, sir. Yeah, that is very, very questionable. Like I said, I feel like a dick even questioning it, but I don't know. It's very, very interesting. Wow, Jordan, let's go. Jordan just hit payout on like all his accounts. 22K payout incoming. Let's go. What happened? Uh, I'm gonna do a giveaway here shortly. Just trying. I'm still trying to collect my thoughts. Jordan eating good right now? Yeah, he is. I have Jordan. I'm so proud of you, man. It's awesome. Guys who are not random schmucks. Yeah. Can I still be a schmuck, just not random? Jordan, do you need a friend? It's starting to seem that way, Steve. he even came in the chat. What's up, Star, by the way? I just noticed you were in here. He even came in the chat and sounded very much like the guy from the fake account. That's what's really got me thrown right now. Like when I went, like, remember earlier I said, why did this light go out? Earlier I said that he had the nerve to talk to me in the Discord after the fact. And the way that he was talking to me was a little off. And the way that he just came in and was talking here in the chat sounded very similar to the way that he was talking to me in Discord. I'm like getting a gut feeling. This light died super quick today. It's so annoying because that light doesn't work unless it's not plugged in. Yeah, like imagine winning 75 bucks from a random online giveaway and you have the nerve to try to double it. Like if that's the case, then man, like what kind of world are we living in? Well, he's not even trying to defend himself anymore. Like he just left. Well, now if I do get the money back from PayPal, I feel like I don't even want to send it to the other guy. I definitely have a pretty big gut feeling that that's what happened. Because how convenient is that it took that long? Man, why are my lights dying so quick today? Damn. I didn't get filled. That's where I would have been taking profit right here. I tried. Oh, wait. So that was your email? Hold on, in case. Yeah, my PayPal. Why would you search your email? Dude, you're giving me some bad vibes. Why would you search your email? I'm so confused. He's talking to me in Discord again. Like, I will feel like the biggest asshole ever if this isn't what's actually happening. But who Google searches their email? It's this visible ID guy. And I mean, literally, look, hi, it's Visible ID, the contest winner for today. What information do I need to provide? That was at 11:37 a.m. I sent it to the other guy. I said sent at 11:34. The giveaway was at 11. He's saying he won a Methodical Man giveaway as well.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got clothes. Grab a nice if you want it, best you ever had, give it to you.
Methodical, Visible ID. Visible ID won the marbles race for 75 bucks on Friday. But then someone like 17 minutes later messaged me and ended up scamming me because, long story short, it was the perfect storm to where I couldn't 100% verify who it was because I had to leave. I ended up sending the money, and then apparently 3 minutes. It was like 2 to 3 minutes later, the real Visible ID messages me saying, hey, I'm here. I won the giveaway. You know, what do I need to provide as far as information? And he's saying he also won a giveaway from you. So he's saying I could verify the email address that he's using. But just because I verify the email address doesn't mean that you're still not the other guy. I don't know. It's all giving me bad vibes. I'm not trying to get out of paying the money, but it's just giving me bad vibes. Yeah, I don't know. I it's just so weird. I mean, it could just be a coincidence. Best case scenario would be that the PayPal thing comes back through. And when the PayPal thing comes back through, I send it to this visible ID. That would be best case scenario. But unfortunately, I'm still waiting on PayPal to get back to me. I don't understand why it's taking them that long, but it is. There's really nothing I can do about that. Invisible ID, like I said, I would feel like a complete asshole if I'm absolutely 100% wrong. But I mean, it just sucks. I mean, there's really getting scammed sucks, but then like feeling the way that I do about it all, it's just like, ugh. All right, hold on one sec. I'm just ready to go to bed. Can I just go to bed? And then the kids come home early. Oh, what time do I have to go get the kids? All right. Oh. Was he not? Did he say to talk to the foreman guy? All right, let me load up marbles.
But he told me, which now I feel like we're gonna be put on the back burner too.
Yeah.
He said once we, or once he finishes this, he goes, then they have to put the copper wire down. He says, and then they have to call Sunrise to get the inspector out. After it's inspected, he said, then we'll have to get back on the schedule for the pour. So I'm like, and I joked with the guy. I was like, yeah, so we can finish and swim next year. And I said everything. I was explaining to him like the problem with the permits and the problem with the gas line and the problem. I just said it's just been too much. I was like, I said all my extra reserve money, I said it's already gone. I was like, all these things happened, and I said I'm tapping out. So I just can't do anymore. And he's like, well, I don't know why the guy gave you a discount. And I said, because I asked for it. I said, because I didn't have any more. I said, I don't have any more money. And he was like, oh, well, I'll have to go talk to upper management. Okay, you do what you gotta do.
Yeah. I mean, I'm like lost at this point, and I'm just kind of done with it. We're just diving back down here. Pine tree. I'd appreciate it. All right, let's see if we get a trade here, and then after that, we'll run the race. Yeah, I have to go get the kids between 12:15 and 12:30, so I'm ready for this day to just be over. Oh wow, I missed that first trade. I wasn't even paying attention. Shit. It looks like a perfect push through and bounce right back up. See if we can get another push here. Nope. All right, looks like we're slowing down here on the push down. If something happens, we'll all right, I'm gonna close marbles. Exclamation point marbles for anybody that's still here. What is that line? Which line? I have a lot of lines on the chart right there. Give you guys until 11:35, 30 seconds. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. I'm gonna try this here. Why can I not just get the fill? Like, there we go. Got in at the buzzer. That's it. Exclamation point marbles. Let's get it. All right, we're gonna do 25 bucks. No scams today, okay? Please. Gonna have everybody message me on Discord at the same time. Trading with Tom. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? What's up, son? All right, let's run it. I don't, guys, my lighting. It is just one of those days. It is just one of those days. All right, let's close it. Close marbles. All right, let's see how many we got. Let's switch it over. 27. Oh, I didn't add myself. I'll do 28. VOLA. Cold VOLA. I'll make it code VOLA. Code VOLA. I am green in trading. That is a plus. That is a plus. All right, let's get it. This is the rainbow, or what? I thought this was the rainbow road. That looks like the alien one. Oh, okay, it is. All right. All right. I don't remember exactly how this one works, but 25 bucks on the line. It is a lot of fun. As long as I'm not getting scammed afterwards. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, where is my mouse? There we go. All right. Alrighty. Shall we? The spinny pegs coming down in. You want to hit the pegs. The quicker you hit the pegs, the quicker you fall down, the quicker you get into the lead. Bishop Lens going straight down and said, I don't need no pegs. Same with Fatty Mar. Josh 808 close behind. Bishop Fatty Mar going into the spin cycle. Who's going to make it through? Bishop Lens first through. Oh, he gets through. Up into the thing that looks like a thing that I'm not going to say live on stream. GDT out in the lead. Oh, he's close. He's in second place. Bishop Len getting chased down by GDT through the thing that I refuse to say the name of. Bishop Len hitting some pegs. Got some catch-up factor going on here. There we go. And down we go. What in the heck is that? I do not remember what that is. We're just going to follow along. Are these blocks? Oh, that's right. You got to hit the thing and go in. And then it shoots you. Oh, whoa! There we go. Does that again, actually. Lucas Ford and Josh 808 taking the lead. GDT trying to play catch up. Here we go. You want to be in the middle. The middle is where it's at. Oh, no one hits the middle. If you go straight into the middle, you do end up in the lead. Looks like we're going to have 4 people basically tied here for first place. Bishop Len, Josh 808, GDT, and Lucas Ford. Jason S finding the opposite end of the track. Here we go. Who's going to end up straight down the middle? All you got to do is... Oh, there's the blocks. Oh, they go right through them. Oh, GDT takes the lead by quite the... Oh, no, Josh is pretty close by. Josh made it through quickly. Looks like we have one more of these. GDT. Could he be collecting some interest? Oh, Josh was nowhere near him. What happened? GDT's all alone. And he's going straight through. GDT into the last spin cycle all by himself. Can he finish this off? He's here. All he has to do, Lucas Ford trying to play catch up along with Bishop Len. Code VOLA gone. Don't forget Code VOLA. Oh, they're all in the spin cycle. Who's going to get down through? Pretty much whoever comes out first. Bishop Len followed by GDT. No. Who's it going to be? Who's going to fall in? Who's going to fall in first? It looks like Bishop Len. GDT's trying to play catch up. I don't think he's going to get there. Bishop Len, first one to drop down. GDT, close second. Josh got yeeted. Fatty Mar third. Lucas Ford fourth. Gonzalez fifth. Unique Wee Bartist in sixth. Yusuf seventh. Looking like Andy going to be in eighth. Andy in eighth. K, DZ, and Muffy the Cat fighting for 9th and 10th. Muffy the Cat 9th. K, DZ, and 10th. DT and Zishan taking a trip somewhere else. Froggo, not really sure what Froggo's doing, but he's going to have to beat the fire. Bishop Len, congrats on the victory. GDT must be steaming right now. I got a feeling Froggo is not going to make it. Wilhelm Trader. Whoa! Just shot through there. What the heck was that? Oh, bye-bye. Wow, you actually almost landed in there. That would be cool if that happened. Alrighty. Trading with Tom, I'm assuming you probably got yeeted at some point. Let's see. No, you finished you were the last one to fall in there. Came in 15th. So you're in there. Let's see. Let's find you real quick. There you are. See it? You're right there. Oh, that was fun. All right. Bishop Len, find me on Discord. If you're not already in Discord, I will give you my email address. volatilitytrading27@gmail.com. If you're not in Discord, message me there. I will send you the Discord. It's an extra layer of verification that I have now added because of scammers. Once you are in there, I will give you instructions on how to verify yourself. And once you do, I will send you the monies. All right, we'll play one more for fun. 27 is my birth date. That is correct. All right, we'll play one more just for fun. And then I have to get going because of the kids. I gotta go get the kids. Let's play the slowly awkward track. Let's do it. Slowly awkward track. Three, two, one, go. There's the finish line, guys. That's all you gotta do. Just gotta get to the finish line. I mean, guys, it's right there. Just go. It's right there. Oh, wait. It's the slowly awkward track. Imagine boost worked. I remember when I first played this one, I was like, wait, this doesn't make any sense. Like, if you start in the lead, you finish in the lead, but that is not true at all. I love this one. I thought this was the dumbest track the first time, but now I absolutely love it. Like, this is amazing. You think you're winning. Oh, but you wait. Gonzalez sent the message. What do you mean? To Apex about the payout? Nice. Yeah, let me know what you hear out of that. Nos. Oh, I love it. Hit the red button. I'm gonna need Nos. Lots and lots of Nos. Oh, look how close it is. Pine Tree Trader currently in the lead. Well, it says you are, but it doesn't look like you are. Oh, maybe you are. No, I don't think so. It looks like one of these guys are in the lead. Can't really tell. I don't know if I'm at like the right angle. The thing is, you have to finish in the hoop too. Like if you miss this hoop, you're out. So like everyone that's just stuck over here is going to be out. You can run into the hoop too. Who's it going to be? It's going to be a close finish. It looks like Trading with Tom's coming in. Oh, Trading with Tom. I actually came in second. That's so funny. Trading with Tom, Code VOLA, Pine Tree Trader, Jason. Look, we got Crawford and Gonzalez stuck. Well, Gonzalez finally fell. Crawford's about to. No. Oh, that's great. Oh, so you want to hear the funny part? The number that the scammer added to the end of his name was the number that popped up here on the game. And he, because here, let me just show you. He tried to, remember I said he stuck around after the fact trying to prove that he was the real person. He sent me the screenshot of here, look. So he sent me this screenshot of him winning the race. He was like, but bro, I won the race. And I was like, yeah, but that wasn't you. And here's the screenshot that he sent me from his phone, which had the 36 on the end. Where visible ID, he was just visible ID. And when I was leaving, I pulled up his thing on my screen literally as I was leaving, and I just saw visible ID, visible ID. I didn't even think about a number at the end, right? I just saw what it was just in case I ended up talking to him, yada, yada, yada. And then the whole 18 minutes later, he messaged me, and it made me laugh even more because he didn't even check the real visible ID's name. He literally just copied it from the marbles game. And the 36 was because he was the 36th entry. So the fact that his YouTube channel name has the exact name that he ended up with on marbles just proves that he made the ID after the fact, because visible ID 36 is not the real name. Like Trading with Tom is his name, but he was the 26th entry, which is why 26 pops up. I can't make this shit up, but he was trying to prove to me that he was the real one by sending me a screenshot of the marbles race of him winning, which in fact actually proved that he was the scam. I literally laughed out loud when he did, like when I figured that out. Just because he's ignorant and doesn't know. I'm not saying he's ignorant, but I'm saying like if that were what happened kind of thing. But that is kind of true too. That is kind of true too, Froggo. Now that I think about it. Dude. All right. Anyways, back over to the main screen for now. Yeah, I mean, it could have just been a straight coincidence that he messaged me literally 2 minutes after I sent it. And MM does vouch for him, yeah. Hey, what's up, Hugh Direction? I'm not gonna lie, it's just really weird. It's just a really weird situation, but I feel like the way that he's like said, I don't even know, like it's just weird that he's not like fighting for himself more, you know? I don't know. I feel like he said his piece and maybe he's just being the bigger man. Like, I'm not trying to get out of paying the guy. I don't know. It just sucks. It's just a shitty situation. I might actually. Oh. Do me like that? Go film me. Bishop in the house. All right, let me send you the Discord. All right, Bishop, I sent you the Discord link. So go into the Discord, find me in there and message me. And then we'll go through the second part of it. Big move up here. That's a bummer. All right to my average. Kind of makes sense when you're looking at the chart, though, I guess. It's kind of obviously just hoping it would break through there. See if we can actually get through there this time. Pound start off of it again. All right, money sent. Everything verified, checked out, etc. Congrats, man. Appreciate the support as always. No problem. Let's hope we can actually get a push down to end this day. I'm trying to get to where I'm above where it's probably going to pull back to if it does. It's kind of the idea here. Yeah, I mean, you could just copy paste the picture though, to be honest. Froggo. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, that'd be nice, Jason. That would be nice right about now. Unfortunately, it does not seem to be what's happening. Alright, that's gonna be my last ad for right now. We got above that previous area, but we're just having trouble getting any kind of a pullback. I mean, had we got out somehow here, this would have been a nice entry here, looking for this exact pullback, but unfortunately we're stuck in the trade, so we're looking for a bigger pullback. We are just not getting anything. It is just super strong. Super, super strong. I really can't say I'm surprised. I really can't at this point. What a nutty move. Just big boner candle and then just continue. I can't even get it to go lower below a candle to give me more shares to Oh man, this is brutal. Think I'm about to hit max loss. Or like max daily loss. It's 2.4k. Oh yeah, so it's gonna take me out. If it goes higher, I think that's pretty much the limit. Like right where it's at. So I can't add anymore at this point. Pretty much if it goes higher, I think, because I think I saw it was like right there. Yeah. Alright, yeah, it's gonna probably take me out. Perfect ending to a great day. Oh, that's right, because I was actually up a little bit, because it's got to be the total amount. So I'm still alive because of the profits I had from earlier. I was just looking at the unrealized. I'm so used to the trailing drawdown, not the end of day drawdown. All right, well, I'm going to go get the kids. I'm just going to let this go. I mean, either I hit the max daily drawdown or somehow it comes back. But with how strong this is, I don't really see how this doesn't keep going. I mean, I'll give it a sec here to see if we start to die. I can't add anymore. If I add anymore, I'm pretty much toast. And how many points is this? Just out of curiosity. That's nuts. What a move. 170, 270. It's a 150 point move. That's crazy. 140. Just straight up. You did not win. Not this time, Tamimi. Is there a world in which we get lucky? Probably not. Not the way that this day's been going. Well, I guess we're about to see if it automatically stops us out. It should. It's not points, it's dollar amount. It's 2,400 total on the account. Which, as you can see, it says 23. We were at like 2370. So pretty much a little bit higher. There it is. All right. I'm gonna get out of here. DCA doesn't always work, guys. It's that simple. So the accounts aren't blown. That's just a max loss, a daily max loss that is set. But on all 3 accounts, that sucks complete ass, especially because we were finally starting to make some headway. And yeah, and we already know this will end up being the top. It'll come down to where our take profit would have been. And that's just how life works for me. So I'm going to get out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same place, all that good stuff. And enjoy in my misery as everybody always does. And I'll see you.